Hello viewers, welcome to SMC tutorials. So today we'll be discussing on how to get started on Marina Protocol. Marina Protocol provides users with a Web3 learn and earn experience which is similar to Over Protocol. So all you need is the app which is available on Play Store. You can get it on Play Store. After downloading the app on Play Store, then you are good to go. Let's get started. Let's open our app. So guys, when you are opening the app for the first time, all you need to do is continue with Google. Choose the account you want to register with. Select your nickname. Next. Proceed with this nickname. Next. Would you like to enter your friend's nickname for everlasting extra rewards? This is talking about referral code. If you have a referral code, you can click on next, but if you don't have, just skip. Now you are ready to dive into Marina. Click on next. So you've created an account successfully. Here is how it works. So when you open the account, when it shows you this, just click on solve. So you can claim 24. 24 is the base rate you can claim, but it increases as your referral increases. If you refer somebody now, this 24 will increase. So you can either choose to claim your 24 or claim times 2 by watching ad. That's all for solve. So about the daily quiz, here is it at the bottom, whereby you answer a quiz, and when you get it correctly, you'll be given 100 piece off. And you can also choose to watch an ad to increase it to 200, which is times 2. You can join their Discord, their socials for the quiz, the answer to the quiz. Why this daily ticket? Here is how it works. You need to watch 10 ad to get daily ticket, to get 10 tickets. So after getting tickets, you can open your ticket and earn various rewards. After watching the ad, the ticket will show at the first part that's showing piece off, which is 1, current point 0. At the bottom, open times 0, which means you don't have any ticket. So after watching this 10 ad, it will be showing 10 tickets here. So when you want to open, you just click on open. It will open and you'll be given your prize. So that's it for this part. Then join community now, their Telegram group chat. You can join their Telegram group chat from here. So that's it for this part. The icon at the right talks about your username, your email, and your friends. If you've invited any friends, you can change your profile image here. While the one at the right top, you click on it, this one talks about your assets, your piece off, and your PBAY. You can earn PBAY by watching ad. After opening your ticket, you can get PBAY points. So guys, about the find at the bottom, it's about their Twitter, their Telegram, and their white paper. You can follow their Twitter and join their Telegram to be updated. About the dashboard, this is the leaderboard. About your profile, this is where you can get your settings and all that. So guys, that's all about Marina Protocol. Just answer quiz daily and solve. So that's all about Marina Protocol. I hope this video has been very, very helpful, guys. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys.